Ableton Live versus Reaper. Choosing between Ableton Live and Reaper isn't a battle of features, it's a choice between a beautifully curated electronic music sandbox and a hyper-optimized, infinitely customizable digital engineering canvas. One gives you a fluid playground right out of the box, while the other gives you a raw, industrial-grade programming framework. We're putting them head-to-head today to understand which one fits your workflow better. Okay, so let's talk about Reaper first. So the entire installation package is under 20 megabytes. It boots up in less than 2 seconds, and it consumes almost zero background CPU idling threads. Unlike traditional DAWs, Reaper utilizes a unified track architecture, meaning any single track can act as a mono audio stream, a stereo file, a MIDI channel, or a complex multi-channel routing bus simultaneously. The platform is infinitely customizable using extensions like SWS and ARIA scripts. You can completely reprogram the user interface, automate macro editing actions, and redesign the shortcuts to match your exact keystroke habits. So to top it off, the financial model is incredibly developer-friendly, a flat $60 discounted license with a fully functional 60-day evaluation period that never aggressively locks you out or truncates your project-saving capabilities. And now Ableton Live. So you are paying a premium for a deeply integrated production-ready instrument suite. Ableton's native audio warping engine remains the global industry standard. You can drag any arbitrary loop into your viewport, and Ableton automatically locks its transient market to your project's master tempo without creating any phase artifacts. Also, Ableton's visual workspace is split into two layouts, the classic linear arrangement timeline and the iconic session view. So it serves as a non-linear grid to launch MIDI clips, drum patterns, and audio samples on the fly, making it the definitive DAW for live electronic music setups and writing. Furthermore, the flagship Suite Edition embeds Max for Live, giving you a built-in visual programming playground to design your own custom synthesizers, MIDI devices, and generative utilities within the standard bottom device tray. And the final advice is clear. Deploy Reaper if you are looking for a featherweight, rock-solid engineering workstation for multi-track recording, voiceover, or complex mixing, and Ableton Live if you want an algorithm-proof tool for electronic beatmaking, rapid sample warping, and a massive ecosystem of instruments. So hopefully this helps you out to choose. If we did in this video, make sure to like and subscribe.